Look at this. Wow. Never seen this before. Oh my god, they're hanging onto the cow balls. Which one of the building? Oh, that's the building we were in.
No man, right there, boat that goes. Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
The American
What is this? Is this an elevator?
Elevator to the subway.
Oh, to the subway.
Yeah.
Seeing it going down there.
Yeah.
Ah, they have an elevator to the subway. Mad cool. Surprisingly, let me look. He's an Indian guy. He look like he just a bacon thing. He probably using two to make it. But when in them place, I just have to eat something. This is awesome. So yes, massive big up again, big up and respect. You don't know we actually in tune to another video. You don't know we're still there in a Galat. You understand? For all those who don't know what Galat is, we're in Manhattan. You understand? So I'm still there with my General Lester. And in this video, we are going to go to where?
Statue of Liberty.
Yeah, we're going to go to the Statue of Liberty. Zin? So it's a Liberty.
Liberty.
Liberty. So,
Liberty.
yeah, so we're going to walk through. You don't know, it's not about us going to show exactly what the places are like around there so you can see exactly what I go on, like you walk with me. While we just enjoy this, I want to give you as much video as possible. You understand? Big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch that past video about where we go to the One World Center. They call
One World Trade Center, yeah.
Yeah, that video was awesome. So right now we're going to take it to Statue of Liberty and we're going to walk through, show you exactly what the place look like, getting there, going on the ferry and everything. So it's going to be an awesome video. So if you're not start like it, me I wait. Start like, no, me I wait, man. Let's do this, Let's start, we are wait. Tell them if you like the video now, man.
Yeah, man, like and share and like.
Yeah, man.
I like and share, man. Which one?
Yeah. Drop a few comments right now, man, if you know about Galat. Look good now, man. You don't see a foreign with it. Look now, man. You don't see a foreign with it. You understand? See a lady that out in her agree. You don't see shower. Look now, man. Big up yourself, my bro. See that? Same speed. Big up every time, see? Every time, yeah. So we're outside. We can't make this up. It's all natural. You understand? So we're going to walk through. We're going to show you. So to everybody who like the video, thank you so much. We're going to start now and we're going to do this. If you comment already, comment. But here me I got employ upon you right now. Please me I beg you to subscribe. If you not subscribe to the channel yet, please me I beg you to subscribe. Subscribe! You hear man say? Look good now, man. So subscribe to the video. Please me I ask you. Subscription is totally free. Alright? Yeah. So let's do this and let's go. Lester, we say ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
See big mirror come up here.
Alright. Yeah, massive. So we're outside and we're doing this. Real bad dog in the street. Yeah. So we're there in a Galat. Yeah, my teacher, you're outside. Yeah, man. Big up. See? Yeah. We're there. What? Let me see what's going on here. What? Special. I wonder what is for $1.
What's for $1?
Let me ask you.
Yeah, I want to know.
What is for $1? $1. $1. What is for? Keychains. Oh no. Is there any of them magnetic? Magnetic. Oh. Oh, these ones are magnetic. Yeah. How much is this? $3. $3.
Some dollar. How much there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on.
This is it. I like this.
Give me $3.
Yeah. All right. All right. So Leicester really sponsoring this trip, so thank you. $3, right? Yeah. Thank you, man.
It's nice thing.
Yeah, this one is nice too. Yeah. Yeah, they have openers and stuff. Wow, how much for this? $1? $1. $1. Let me see if I can find $1 for this one.
Yeah, $1. $2.
Oh man, Leicester keep throwing it. Alright, thank you, man. Big up, respect. Yeah. Get this. So, Lexi, I'm getting some souvenirs for you. Nice. Wow.
$1 bill.
Yeah, Leicester, we can't there and we're not getting a souvenir. Yeah. Big up somebody now, big up the wife.
Oh, big up the wife, Julian and daughter, Yashan and Nashika, Narisa, Devon, Malik, and everybody else.
That is it. We're outside have some fun. Look good for the place, man. It's beautiful. Oh my God. Yeah, the biggest cow that, watch your man, the man choose to go right under the cow balls. Huh? See man gone right under the cow balls to take the picture. Look at that.
Let's go for it. So
the man gone right under the cow balls and all the cow balls to take the picture. Yeah. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah. Let me look. Hanging on to the balls. A very big bull. Yeah. Oh my God, they're hanging on to the cow balls. Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah.
You see a line for that? Look at that, look at that.
That's where the line is?
Yeah.
Wow, it's crazy. Massive line to take picture with the bull. Do they have to pay?
No, no.
Oh.
You just have to wait on the line, yeah.
Yeah. I want to take pictures with the cow. The line is long to take the picture. In a Jamaica, I would have run in and take for a picture and cut it. Yeah. No joke. The massive we're going through. Yeah. New York gift. Gifts. So it's NY gifts.
New York gift, New York.
Man. Yeah. Wireless that place is beautiful, yo. Love it.
The American
What is this? Is this an elevator?
Elevator to the subway.
Oh, to the subway?
Yeah.
Seeing it going down there?
Yeah.
Ah, they have an elevator to the subway. Mad cool. National Museum of the Caribbean, India. Woo. This is not Jamaica this. Look. You got that? In Leicester. We don't have them bus here. We don't have them bus here. Look there, man. Yeah. I don't think a movie, a real life. You know, say a yellow taxi. Yeah. We have a press the buzzer or somebody probably press it already.
I'm on light.
The light change to red.
Not yet.
Oh, but oh, best of free up here now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Perry. What you mean, Lester?
Alright, we
Bye,
can't go
Billy.
now. Come on.
Good to go.
It's a free watch. No, come.
Hello. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. You know, it's enough movies they show down that side there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. Enough movies. Yeah. Yo, look at the plane them just there, barely above the building. Why the temperature drop?
It's a drop, man. It's a drop. And because we live by the water, yeah, it's cold. The wind
Big
from
up. Dog don't know which part he gone. In lost it. Look, in lost it.
the last one.
Yeah, never did a look on the drop. Oh, in find it. No, to your left, to your left. No, go back, go back. No, too far, go back. In lost the ball.
No red ball.
Yes, he red ball, but him lost it. Lost the ball. My search it though. Because see that? Figure that. Fine, you know. Oh, dog, in Jamaica, you fling that till a week, then look like, how we are sent out? Then they be like, how we are sent out, brother? That him bone when I run for.
It's a food.
Yeah. Them dog don't run feet. So massive we're heading to the Statue of Liberty, where we can actually go across the ocean and see what go on, you know? Yeah. We're in Manhattan.
In Manhattan.
Gallatin.
No.
Bless her.
No.
Bless her. I'm traveling with him, so it's what he says.
Yeah? How much is the Statue of Liberty?
The Express. We don't want an Express.
No, we are.
Yeah. Look at that guy. I saw you moving a while ago. You can't trick me. Yeah, bless her. That's so cool.
It's a guy.
When I pass him back, I'm going to tip you, alright? That figure that.
It's a guy in New York, man, by Times Square. Just stand up still.
Yeah?
And you now move until you put a
money in
money there. And you start down.
Yeah. Boy, me really have to go eat something though.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let me ask this person. I want to see them try it to see if it's really good. I've never tried it before, and I just want to eat something that's good. Let me see. Oh. I don't know. I want to try something, my bro. Bless up. How much is it? This. $3?
You know?
Damn.
You want
Alright.
something?
Yeah, man, I can try it, man.
Yeah, man. I got
Again?
Yeah, man. I got you.
Let's start dig again, you know. No, just how much for the serving? Huh?
You want two?
2 for $5? and 1 for 3. Man. So all right, let me just try it. 2 for 5. So this is for 3
That's for 5.
or 5? 5? Shit. Alright. How much did he give you? No, I'm fine, not yet. Just want to try something.
Yeah, alright, thanks.
Alright. Yeah, what's it? It's not bad.
Yeah?
Sometimes me don't want to see how they prepare. I don't want to see how they prepare. Just give me some feed. Yeah, no joke. They probably use all in 2 to make this. See them myself. So, surprisingly, let me look. He's an Indian guy. He look like he just a bacon thing. He probably using 2 to make it. But when in them place, I just have to eat something. This is awesome.
Yeah.
I wonder if I really stone this. Touch it. I feel like iron.
Steel, yeah. Not steel.
Yeah.
Yeah, steel.
Let's say now try the message now.
No, sir. That's star mango.
I have no idea, mate.
You guys say it costs $39. We're not paying $39.
But, yeah, man. This one is closed, or this one is gone.
Yeah.
You can take the express for
No,
$39.
you don't go to these guys. These guys
Yeah.
ain't trying to make money. You don't know, so I see them every day. Yeah.
Every day.
Every day I see them out there. Look how much you ticket. How much you say?
39.
Alright.
And that was an audio tour.
39 to 24. How much is it? That's 15. It's $15 different. Yeah. 15 off here.
And then try to meet you at the gate. What's
No, them still have because the boat them go certain time. You know, see, but everybody.
I guess you enter.
If you go through security system again, just go in there and see. Look like them clothes off. Why you getting here, sir?
I don't know. But it's early.
What time is it now? About 3?
Maybe not even that. Maybe not even 3.
What do you mean not 3? At 3:40 something. 3:41. Time I move.
The people coming out.
But we just know where to go in.
Oh, look.
So do not enter.
Excuse me, where do we enter to go to get the tour on the ferry? Where? Pier 16? Yeah, where's that?
Where's Pier 16? By the ferry? Oh, okay, I know. No, okay, oh yeah, I know where that is. That's down there by That's way down there. That's way down by They can take the 15 bus.
Oh, we have to take a bus
Yeah.
to go there now?
Yeah.
Huh?
So they go. Oh, that's why I always have these people coming on the bus and say they're going to the
Ferry.
I didn't know that they moved down there. It's way down there.
Where should we walk here?
No, walk back. But I still think they leave from here. I don't think they still leave from here.
Can we go?
We'll go back this. We'll go down that way.
Where?
We'll go down, sir. Then
Oh.
I know them at top.
So is that a good walk from here? Or what?
No man, you can't walk.
Can I walk so far?
It's a long walk. You walk, it's going to take you about
So-
40 minutes.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, wait down. You can't jump in that bus now.
So the ferry station move. Yeah. Oh, so probably them where you're board
Yeah.
different from where you come off. I
But-
wonder. Because it's right here, they come from a while ago. Mm.
Oh.
I said, Lester, I feel chilling on them legs.
Yeah. Look at them alright, man. Yeah. Oh, this one. Let me look in here, sir.
Hey, let's go check this out. Manhattan site. Castle Clinton. So much thing to do in Manhattan. Oh. This is where you get tickets.
No, that's fine. Yeah.
Ah, yeah. With my friend. I'm vlogging. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Parks tour. A line along. So this look like it's a park store. Let me say, can get a few stuff in there. Get a few persons in there too. And look like load of things going here. Stage or something. Yeah, so we just sit down here, so I'm gonna wait. Let's purchase some ticket and thing, but I tell you, man doesn't have so much to offer you. Like even the World Trade Center, the new one that they build, like way high. So everybody who watch the video, make sure say you drop a comment and you like the video. Just like you like this one and you gonna drop some comments in. Yeah, so we're actually there in the I don't remember what's the name of this park, but that's where the tickets are being purchased. See? Yeah, so that's where we are. And we just wait on Leicester to buy the ticket them, and then we forward out and we go get to the ferry, go to Statue of Liberty. Real foreign, big foreign, feels good. I'm excited. From the get here, I'm excited until this day. Me there I see him, I still feel good. It's like a dream come true for me to travel. You know them way there? Yeah, no doubt. It's nice. Really nice. Yeah, so unfortunately for today, the Statue of Liberty tour is sold out. But don't panic. We are going to see if we can ride the ferry and go to Staten Island. Alright, so the Statue of Liberty tour is actually sold out for today. So we're probably going to come like a early. Yeah.
Maybe we should not come in
first. Yeah, and then go by. Yeah. So, yeah, but we're going to see if we can ride the ferry and go over to Staten Island. And let's see what's over there. So, back to the regular viewing, but you don't know a thing, but you can actually look around, because you know me I go show no which part we are walk and all of them things. So all of who don't know them places, you never get to enjoy them places, what it really looks like, just like this. This are the channel. You see me I say, you're there at the right place. So we are showing the Manhattan as we are walk through. You see me? So let's see if we can figure out where to catch the ferry to go to Staten Island. Continue watching. You see me I say, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, now we are say, man. You have to roll out the goodies on the street, man.
About a few months ago, a captain come with one big truck.
Create them
and
up.
there's a place down, so when they have gold for them, they just show them in a truck. Arrest some of them.
Yeah, man. Them have to do what they have to do, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the police down there, patrol?
I must be security then.
We got most people come over here with them dogs.
Yeah, maybe we jump on a free boat there and go over there. And,
Yeah, over Staten Island.
yeah, and then come back. We run like every 20 minutes or so.
You want to ask them police?
Do what?
United States police.
Do what?
There's a nice lady in here too.
For what?
Eh?
For what?
Like, push out the ferry there.
You know easy. You tell us some work up here. You know what the place we are going.
Let's say yard.
Yeah, man, I'm in backyard this. Work up here, man. You know.
Right.
I like the park like that.
Yeah, I realize.
Yeah.
Nice to go place with the kids.
Yeah.
Nice.
I bet you never seen it like that. You never seen it like that either.
Sound smooth, one of them over there, so.
Yeah? Just like that?
Yeah.
Eh? Oh, it's nice, man. Hello, YC, what's up? Yeah?
Yeah, massive. It's beautiful. Woo. Real man. Express. So good. Staten Island Ferry. Yeah, man. Yikes.
You know, I've never been to I think I've been to Staten Island maybe one time. I've passed through there. Never really go over there.
Wow, yo. It's beautiful. Holy crap,
Yeah,
brother.
is it good?
Where some more people come from, brother? Damn.
Probably there.
Have a Wendy's over here too. Yo,
Coming.
so much people.
Big boy.
This is crazy.
But you want 4 p.m.
Brother,
Oh, it's supposed to come now.
like this much people, brother. Like, damn. Let's stop. Holy, like the boat can hold so much people.
Yeah,
Our massive
I want
boat.
big boat, yeah.
So when we ride it, we can ride. We are in
We
a,
ride it down like that.
oh,
What's the
look
schedule?
at that! Look at that! Watch your crow! Watch your crow!
Leave every 15. Sorry. Leave every 15 minutes. So.
Every 15 minutes. Look at this. Wow. Never seen this before. This is massive. You gotta stay close, relax. So it's an open boat? Or
Yeah,
something?
yeah, I think. You never go on it. You know, I see it. I think it's like, yeah.
Never
That's
seen
a lot of people, huh?
whole lot of people.
We leave every 15 minutes. So we go over there. The longest we go from here is 15 minutes before we come back.
So this is going to Staten Island. Trying to go on the ferry.
Nothing. No, I'm not 100, is it?
Yeah, probably about 300.
I'm more than that. Yeah, man, nothing. Count the little one in too.
Oh, that count the little one them too. I probably have to go give it like the soldier wall, like the hand pan shoulder.
Yeah.
You know, say you don't miss. Yo, I can't wait to see what it looks like. So, oh, this is one of the schedule.
Yeah. So,
It's crazy.
people,
Enough people.
we know. Once we get through this where we are, we're good now.
Once I get through this door.
Yeah, I think so, we're good, yeah.
Yeah. My thing is, me just want to see how it's safe.
Like that, that's it.
Oh, that's the trip. That's
Look like they have dunks, we can go upstairs.
upstairs and down.
You never come on here, it's not.
Oh, it look like there's something right here, so too.
Huh?
Like, oh, there's like a passage type of thing right there, so. Name of this boat was Samuel I. Newhouse.
Yes, Samuel, yeah. It's our big boat.
Yeah. Very big. Oh, so you can pretty much. Let's go upstairs.
We go up here. Yeah.
Alright, so this is
But the
it.
one in here, man.
Yeah, wow,
The one in here, yeah.
So I want that people to stand up. Oh, you have seats in there.
Yeah, I've seen.
Oh, oh,
You know, look like you can go
oh.
upstairs.
Dog,
You know
on
what?
it. Yeah.
never go on a cruise.
No, never.
Nice, man.
Yeah. We really have a plan a trip. Like,
we're on a cruise there.
man, let's say I forgot plan a cruise, bro.
Nice. We went from Florida. We went from Florida to 80.
Yeah?
And then from 80 we got Jamaica, Falmouth. And then from Falmouth we got Mexico. Back to
You're touring,
nice.
man.
Nice.
Yeah, bro.
Upstairs. You know what I'm upstairs.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Outside, even though it might be cold.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't go outside. You can't go outside.
Third level.
Oh, then close.
Oh, they close it.
Now,
Alright, let me see. Let me look at this side. Oh, I see some people standing, looking. Yeah, look like we can go down. Sorry, can we pass? Sorry. Sorry. Oh,
It's a good one, right? Yes,
can
right?
we see?
Yeah.
We just hear like one of the worker on the bus the train saying that to see anything, it's best to go to the back of the bus where you came.
Oh yeah?
To get the better view there.
Okay.
So let's try that. It's moving now. So we are on the ferry, and this is what it looks like. Going to Staten Island. It's a massive boat. It's actually moving right now. So we're going to the back of the boat where we came. They're saying that the best view is actually at the back here. Oh. Yeah, he was right. Saying the best view was actually at the back.
I was at the boat outside. Yeah, it's nice.
So cool. Mad thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Massive engine and turbine. Yeah. Well, at least this is a great one.
Okay.
You actually passed to.
Yeah, that move.
The push. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we can't get out the view I started.
Probably.
Really.
Let me see if we can go that side. So we can stay to the side here. Wow.
Wait. How far is it?
It's like when you're underwater, you realize how heavy the water feels.
Yeah.
Yeah, massive. This is like some breathtaking experience where people for really try, you know? No doubt. Yeah, you're in capture everything. Let me go back to this side, catch some more view. Yeah, great. Yeah, Lester. But you live a friend and that first time for you, eh?
First time.
Yeah.
I would come up here every day and never.
And your first time going.
I'm always at work, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, this is not even full.
Yeah, it's not even full. And look at what people have, like a couple 100 people, like all over scattered, like nobody in there. See that? See Statue of Liberty cruise, eh? Look how I hit that.
Look like we have a bit close to it.
Statue of Liberty. Yeah. Probably can catch you through one of the windows. Let me go look.
Let me get right here somewhere.
Oh, choo-choo. Windows are closed. See that? It's not even full. Yeah, one next one. Oh, so maybe that one is one of the. That one was one of the express.
What?
The white one there. Maybe that was the actual.
I see it. I think that one is the same like this.
Oh.
So it's going back to pick up at the same spot.
Yeah.
I believe every 15 minutes.
Yeah. All right. Yo, massive. Look at the temperature. It's so cool. Can I see it now?
Yeah, man. Right there, sir.
Oh, see the Statue of Liberty there. Center camera. So there is actually some live vessel on the boat and on board, so you know the thing go anchor. So we have this chain that you can't pass. You're not supposed to pass this chain. So we just have to stay. Massive. It's an experience of a lifetime. Trust me. Yeah, no joke. Listen, Lester, man, they are foreign for much years. I never fall upon the ferry. Yeah, see there, I'm a man from Jamaica now. We fall down in the bridge up here. All the way there upon it. Eh, look good now, man. Eh? Jaja no. Oh, you're fine. All right. She's looking at the statue too. Wanna come? All right. Yeah. Yeah, you wanna see it? Alright, there you go. Yeah. Letting some person see the Statue of Liberty. Yeah. So yeah, we're outside and it's just beautiful. It's a great experience that you guys should actually experience. You know, when it comes out to Jamaica walk by me, I'm gonna bring it to you like it is. Yeah man, no joke. Look good. There's another ferry over there going into for Staten Island. Yeah. Just to carry the persons them over and across and things. Yeah. It's just great. So I'm gonna show you the Statue of Liberty. Look, look. The Statue of Liberty. That is it. It looks like it's far, but it's just right there. All them water must hard for swimming.
Yeah.
Yeah, very extremely good. And then how cool it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Can't last too long.
Because that's someone maybe you know that cold, but like in the winter time.
Yeah. How long is the ferry ride?
You don't know, you know. I can't be more than maybe 10 minutes. 15 minutes.
Yeah. Beautiful. Which one of the building? Oh, that's the building we were in.
No man, right there, boat that goes. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's beautiful. I read rich man them they're traveling at them helicopter, you know, brother. Go where them are going now.
You can't go on, you know, can't go. See them all over the place.
Yeah, they're all over the place,
Can't
man.
go in the master.
Look how much of them. News team, this, that, everything.
Yeah, I was here, so them have drop out of the sky.
Eh?
Yeah, I was at drop out of the sky.
Over here?
Yeah, one of them, the one last year before, right down, someone dropped.
Everybody gone home.
And you know, I drowned, you know.
John? Oh, jumping in the water.
And then drowned. The pilot make it.
Pilot survive?
Yeah, but the rest of them drowned. They couldn't come out or something.
Oh.
They drowned.
Yeah, massive. We're going to Staten Island. Yeah, so, yeah, massive. So, we're soon forward. We just enjoy the ferry ride until I see we again with over Staten Island. That's all.
Yeah,
we have come off.
Yeah, we come off of Staten Island.
Yeah, so we are going to join back again when time we are come off of Staten Island. Going to see exactly how over the stay.
Yeah.
And you know, make a few little rounds and then we drop back in. Don't it? Where's it, mad?
Yeah, man.
But there you be General Lester, you understand? Yeah. When I dieted subscriber them, I would just go and go through the same way. Now me there in a foreign, we have a chill with them, so remember, you don't know. Yeah. Yeah, you're not going to make it with the meet and greet. You probably have work
No, man,
Sunday.
work.
Yeah. So, at least, what me and you roll with right now. Yeah. It's crazy.
It's good, yeah.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, massive. See you. We're soon forward. When we reach back at Staten Island. See? Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the boat are dark right now and we are trying to come off. So it was not really a long while. I'm right about 20 minutes in. So the boat just docked and everybody lined up again to come off the boat. So let's see what over there looks like. Seen? Ready? Let's do this.
You see the boat then, right? That's a...
Man, tell them man right in the groove.
Yeah.
So we're over in Staten Island. Just come off of the ferry. Yeah. Yeah, man. Look at the ferry. That's where everybody just come off. It's so cool. Yeah.
I don't know where you, if I've seen place you're going back on.
Man, I wonder. Well, let's explore.
Yeah.
Staten Island. Man,
Staten Island.
yeah.
Check the website. The website actually has magic.
Oh, so Lester.
Huh?
So what you realize that there are a lot of persons just you can park your car. You can park your car
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
just
Take the ferry.
take the ferry, then you come back and go in your car. That's what I see a lot of persons do. Yeah.
Yeah, down to the island. It's
Different way of
different.
life, don't it?
Over there, it's different.
Yeah, man.
Staten
Yeah.
Island, man.
Alright. Even bikes, them bike and thing, them park
But you
up,
can't bring the bike, can't
lock
you?
them. Yeah, some people just lock them up.
Yeah. Lock you up here and just...
Yeah. So what you wanna do? We want to just go out in the street and see where. Let's see how we get over here. They'll follow somebody.
I think this is to go back in.
To go back in?
Yeah. You want to go on the street or you want?
Yeah, I want to go on the street.
Where's the street? How you get it?
Alright, look. See some people walk there. Look at it. Excuse me, sir. Probably not. Why, I see enough people walk up on that side. Everybody will come off tends to go that way. Yeah. How do we get on the street?
Up to here.
Up through here. Okay.
How you get back to the ferry if you want to go first?
If you want to get back on the
If you want to
ferry.
get back to the ferry, we pay you the same place? Oh, okay. So we go on the street. Maybe we might miss this one and get the next one.
Yeah. Oh, it's a city up here. Yikes.
Look like I got them a go on.
Are these are
Yes, I'm gonna go on the ferry.
and this is the street.
I
Yeah.
think so.
Look at that massive. Yikes.
Show them in front here. One on the street.
Yeah. Let's go outside. So we're trying to go on the street to see by Staten Island.
Staten Island.
Sorry. So this is like a next side of America.
It's like a yeah.
Eh? But it's just out in the sea.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Just hit me on
Yeah,
the
right.
face.
So like
Woo!
some homeless guy live there
Yeah.
or something. Man. They have buses, everything, you know. Yeah.
Ah.
So cool, yo.
Enough walking.
This is an experience of a lifetime, brother. Yeah. You know what people come and foreign and never do it? Well, you're one of them. Well, live here and never like go on the street. So like, most of them will come off of the ferry.
Jump
Now
on
away
the
on a bus, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just want to see what the street look
Yeah.
like and stuff. Different energy. Yeah. Wonder. Yeah. Oh, the bus is here.
Yeah. So this is like a little bus terminal.
Yeah.
See? Ah.
So once you come off I ferry, you can hold the bus or
Yeah.
you walk out. Yeah. Lots of police and things. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
You look just like him, master. I felt you know over here, so either.
Yeah. Foreign. It's beautiful though. Oh, there's a H&M right at the ferry. Alright, we could go up on the street.
Let's
We
go
could
see
go
what's going on. Yeah.
Just do it. Nike.
Staten Island.
Yeah. Cool weather.
Really cool, like, yeah.
You see? Man, I didn't pocket you now. I didn't put that on. Yeah.
Look like a t-shirt. Yeah, man.
It's a big. Only if I eat
Wow.
sells them there, man.
Only for fat. Keep it warm.
All you need is love. That's what the shirt say. But look at the shirt. All you need is love. Yo, feel that breeze? Wow! It's cool, friend. joke. Yeah, so we're not just here about Staten Island, you know. We over here. I can't believe that they're foreign all the
Over here, so
world,
look different, don't it?
look different, don't
Look
for
different.
real.
Yeah, somewhere different. Look. The road don't look different. It's look different.
Where's the, even the road them?
Yeah, it look different, man.
Come on, with the ferry station there. Ah,
Yeah, man, we'll find
they
it.
have businesses upstairs. You have some food place and so. Kind of look like it, like China.
Staten Island Ferry.
Yeah, this is a different vibe though. Over by
These
Staten.
buildings over, they look whole to these buildings look, especially that one.
Yeah.
And this one.
Alright, most of the people them just walk come this direction. So let's see. Yeah, me so I go put my hand in my pocket too. Yeah.
Cool over here, somewhere.
Cool, for sure, man.
Yeah. I want that. I want that.
Ooh. Man, they're in yellow.
Over here, you see that?
Yellow.
You see that?
Jaja. Cool, man. But it's beautiful though.
Yeah, nice, nice. In the summertime, you have to come over here just now.
Look what I go on. Yeah.
Look the island by itself, Staten Island.
Staten Island. Yeah, man. In a foreign. What that? Shake snack. Hey, this looks like you go to the sea. You can
Yeah.
see a bunch of little things. I wonder
Yeah.
what things there.
Right, is a sight out there. You can't move, you can come back.
Yeah.
I like this, we don't plan to do it.
Me not tell you,
We
man.
don't plan.
Let's go walk somewhere different. Yeah, man.
Brand new!
Eh?
Brand new! Brand
Yeah.
new! Brand new.
Massive, I don't understand. Me probably have to look on it. Let me see if I can see on my phone what the temperature is right here. What?
Sometimes you don't know that cold and not just a wind because you're not sure.
Alright, it's 18 degrees Celsius. Most Jamaicans will know what that means. 18 degrees Celsius. So, yeah. That's the temperature. That's like maybe like about 58 degrees Fahrenheit or something like that.
But that's nice weather.
Yeah,
don't
nice
it?
weather.
Yeah.
Yeah.
58 degrees.
But who know?
Because the wind have no make you feel cold.
Ah, boy. Rough. Pedestrian.
What you like?
Yeah.
Now,
See man bull upon the cow, man. Don't play with the chopping, man. Look good. Yeah, man. Nah, come. Go across. Yeah, man. Most people have their hand in their pocket.
Eh? Eh?
Yeah. Most people have their hand in their pocket, brother.
Mhm. Lots of homeless people come over here to
Don't chill.
Staten Island.
Alright, let's see where it goes. Probably I'm gonna look on the map and see where like the meat of the matter is.
You know what?
Like the meat of the matter, can I look at where I come out of
Yeah.
the congested
We look
part.
at, if we want to go into town, we have to climb that hill. You see that?
Like one of them hill, don't it?
Yeah. I want to tell you something, man.
Alright, look. Maybe let's turn down there with a car turn.
Make a left.
Yeah. See if we can see where the tone is.
But you notice how a lot of people are over here, so they're quiet.
Everyone them calm.
Yeah, like Jersey almost, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, this is where we're at.
American have. Look like we have to go. Let's cut up this hill.
Yeah, let's
Look
go.
at this hill and see where this take we.
So massive, we are explore.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's cross here. Oh, we can walk.
What your car?
We signed up and walk.
Hey,
We said we
we still look good, or
That's true.
still look.
Excuse me, you live over here? Where's the town? Like the center? Like where the restaurants and stuff is at? Oh, that's the mall. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, so other than that, these
Okay,
are just where people
residential
live and
area,
stuff.
right? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, so go there.
The next right turn?
Yeah, okay. By the light, yeah.
Yes. You'll see the little corner store and you just walk on up and you see everybody hanging out there.
Over here is just different than from over there.
See, I'm from Texas. So
I live in Jersey.
I barely know myself. I'm telling you what I know. Hallelujah. I have a blessed
Alright, thank you. Texas. Texas. Look like somebody ramming to this here, sir. Right here, sir. Look like we here. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, yeah. And you know, wow. Over here just different, man. It just, I would live over here. You know, look like they move for you. This one. Which one, that car? Oh. Because this, yeah, because of you. Because some body shop, you see. Oh, yeah. Where? Where? Oh! Diving. A Kennedy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, true, you know. That's true. You fix that up, you know, that's not look nice, you know. What I say? What? Well, let's walk up here. What? You see so? You fighting and touch your thumb and peel that up, you think you're doing something. And that?
Yeah, in America, totally is the first one.
What do you call it?
Another mouse. Another mouse. Wonderful.
Wonderful. Why don't you name something different?
It's better for Jamaica, man.
I saw you too. You never know, so I saw you here.
Wonderful. It's better for Jamaica.
Eh? But I thought it's supposed to be a nice at the coffee Jamaica. Do on gas.
Nice to Jamaica, man. You might be very lucky down there.
No burn gas and stuff, man.
Oh, there's a stigma on it, though.
Yeah?
Say, as a female drive it, and the man say, when you put them in a D, put like a demon time. Truck stop right.
Eh?
Come up in there, everything, brother. That's what it is. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's not a yeah! Wow! Oh, a bit different, man. Eh? 15 minutes, man. Dunkin' Donut. There's so much room on that. All right. New York City University of New York. St. George. Studio Portland Farm. Went over here, so we don't really want to know the please ring. So, jump on the free ferry. So you say you don't have a car now? You have a car now, right?
Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You have a, because you say you drive.
Yeah.
You have a Honda.
No, it's water.
Who make it?
Great one.
Eh? Yeah. Yeah.
So the black things or something. Inside here.
Yeah.
Touch display all over. Everything digital.
Oh yeah? You don't even notice in Jamaica when you buy car, they know, we look at the mileage of much mile on. Oh, that car, look good paint, look good, engine clean.
Jamaica, car mileage way high enough.
Yeah.
Well maintained.
Oh yeah, master, we look at first thing, I look at and see how much mile you have.
Mash up.
20,000 worth of bad driving. Round up some more. Yeah, that's really stuff. That's for how much? 5 o'clock. Yeah, I like that. But we're not going to that area yet. We're not going to that area. Yeah. Yes, sir.
have on a shirt, have on a skin.
Well, up here, so feel alright. I just
So
my foot,
pressure, you
my
know?
foot them a little chilly, yeah. Them but my hand them feel warm. My hand them.
All the time, Tracy Morgan will be here. And
Oh yeah. December 1st.
you see all the guys on Jamaican come.
Ah, true. Yeah. Well, you see a lot of these stuff, not like this in New York, but look like a pure hill over here. See that another little down on so. I'll live up here, sir. You talk slowly. Some more for black people.
What did I say?
You see, you know what? Let me see what I see. Eh? Oh, another hill that. Look there. Another hill. Right there. There's something different now. Street man look different. Nice, you know? Oh, nice. Grand wagon. Yeah, nice. Nice, yeah. You got there running to your little car there. Hill and then you on top of a hill.